So, guys, just when we thought Tesla had the EV locked in, BYD comes out swinging again, and oh boy, they've dropped something that's making waves everywhere, introducing the 2026 BYD QIN L EV, a car that's not just another electric sedan, it's a statement. It's bold, sleek, futuristic, and it's coming. Right for Tesla's throne, this thing has that kind of presence where you look at it once and you're like, wow, that's not just a car, that's a piece of art on wheels. Now, let's talk about what makes this QIN L EV so special. First off, the design. BYD has absolutely nailed the aesthetics. The front end looks aggressive with sharp LED lights, a low sweeping hood, and those aerodynamic lines that make it look fast. Even when it's standing still, it's elegant but sporty and somehow feels more premium than ever. Before the proportions are perfect, long body, low stance, and that new signature light bar on the back gives it a futuristic glow that screams next generation. Inside, it's a whole new world. B has gone all out with a cabin that feels like a luxury lounge. The massive rotating screen is still there, but now sharper, brighter, and faster. The ambient lighting wraps around you like a spaceship. The seats are plush with fine stitching and soft materials, and everything from the steering wheel to the center console feels like it belongs in a car twice this price. And yes, it's got all the tech you'd expect: wireless charging, 5G connectivity, voice assistant, and even an AI system that learns your driving habits. But here's where it really gets interesting: the performance. The QIN L EV isn't just about looks under the hood or well under the floor. It's packing BYD's latest blade battery tech, giving it an insane range of over 600 kilometers on a single charge, and the acceleration is instant, smooth, and silent. It's quick off the line and delivers that satisfying electric punch that puts a smile on your face every single time. And if you go for the DMI hybrid version, you get the best of both worlds: electric efficiency with the flexibility of a fuel backup, making it perfect for long road trips without any charging anxiety. BYD has also worked on comfort and handling. This car glides on the road with an upgraded suspension system, improved insulation, and advanced noise reduction tech. It's designed to make every ride feel calm, controlled, and premium. And compared to last year's QIN Plus EV, this new model feels way more refined, more powerful, and definitely more confident. And here's the best part: the price. BYD is coming for the competition hard, offering all this tech, luxury, and performance at nearly half the price of a comparable Tesla Model 3, and that's exactly why people are calling it Tesla's worst rival, because this car gives you that same futuristic vibe without breaking the bank. It's clean, fast, and beautifully built, so yeah, Tesla better watch out, because the 2026 BYD QIN L EV just changed the game again. This is the kind of car that makes you realize the EV future isn't coming, it's already here. So guys, what do you think? Is BYD officially the new EV king, or does Tesla still have the edge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want more updates on the latest electric beasts hitting the roads, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the future of driving just got a whole lot more exciting.